Do you need to make your table a different size? It's easy to do using the same general technique that you use when resizing a graphic. This quick tip walks you through the steps to do the resizing. One of the nifty shortcuts provided in Word is the ability to resize your table using the mouse. This is done in much the same way as you would resize graphics. Notice that I have a document containing a table. If I want to resize this table, all I need to do is move the mouse pointer over the top of the table, and when I do, notice that at the bottom right corner of the table, there's a hollow square that appears. I can click on this square with the mouse and then use it to drag where I want this table to be when it comes to its size. Notice that there's a little shadow that's showing me what the size of this table is going to be. And when I release it, well, then that's the size of the table right there. In other words, the table is resized to where I let go of the mouse button. It's important to understand what this resizing technique actually does and what it doesn't do. First, it only affects how content in the table flows within the cells of the table. It does not change font size or other attributes of the text. Second, it doesn't change the number of columns or rows in your table. That's not how you're resizing it. Instead, it simply adjusts the height of each row and width of each column so that the overall table size matches what you indicated that you wanted. The upshot of this is that column width is adjusted first to reflect the overall width of your resized table. Then, row height is adjusted automatically to fit the text within the cells. So when dragging the handle to resize the table, you need to focus first on the desired width of your table and see how Word adjusts the row and table height from that point. You can get more comfortable with this technique by just trying it on some tables in your own documents. That way you can see how it affects the table contents as you do the resizing in this manner. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.